It's no secret that one of the most profitable new jobs right now is running YouTube channels. There are millions of creators all over the world uploading videos every single day. That's a good thing because there are also millions of people willing to watch those videos. But it's also a bad thing because standing out among all of them takes a lot of effort, resources, and know-how that we don't have when we're just starting out. So this is where I come in. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create long-form videos with artificial intelligence that stand out and feel high quality, increasing your chances of success. And we're going to do all of this using completely free and unlimited tools. So anyone can do it by following these steps. To make sure we don't fail while creating the videos, I'm going to show you my secret for using the best AI models on the market for free. Alright, let's begin. The first tool will be the brain of the whole process. We're going to use LM Arena. On this platform, we'll be able to use all the artificial intelligence models available on the market completely for free. And if we hit the limit with a model, there are so many that we can just switch to another one and keep creating. You'll see the limit is pretty high, and even if you do hit it, it resets after just a few minutes. So with this tool, you'll be able to create unlimited content. We have to go to direct chat and select this model, which is currently one of the most powerful ones. Once it's selected, we're going to paste the first prompt I leave you in the PDF. What this prompt will do is ask the AI to do deep research on which channels are the most successful right now, so it can recommend a channel topic for us. If you already have an idea in mind, in this optional field, add what you'd like your channel to be about, so it researches that topic specifically. Once we send the prompt, it'll start giving us channel topics along with several video ideas that would be successful on that channel. Choose the one you like the most and copy the information it gives you. The video title and the text where it explains why it would be successful and what that video needs to include. Once we have that copied, we're going to paste the next prompt. And at the very bottom, we'll add what we copied from the previous prompt and how long we want the video to be. We'll send it. And what it will start giving us is everything we need to create the video we indicated earlier. It will give us the video title, and then it will give us split into segments of about 5 seconds, an image prompt, a prompt to turn that image into a video, and one line of text that will be narrated during the 5 seconds that clip is on screen. And it will do that for each segment. So in the end, it gives us divided into many parts, everything that will appear in our video in order. Alright, now we're going to use an AI tool and an extension that if we paste in all the image prompts, will automatically give us all the images we need so we can later turn them into video. On top of that, they'll download automatically so we won't have to do absolutely anything. If you look at the top, before it starts giving us each segment we need to create each clip, it gave us 3 very important prompts. A prompt to create the look of the main character in our story, a prompt to create the setting where our story takes place, and a prompt to create the style the story will have. To generate all the images, we're going to use Wisp. Here, we'll have access to a completely free and unlimited high-quality image generation model. To use it, first we're going to paste one by one the prompts for the main character, the scene, and the style. Once we've chosen these 3 images, what we're going to do is drag them into the fields on the left into the ones they belong in. This ensures that every image that gets generated will keep the same main character, the same setting, and the same style, which is perfect for creating a story where everything stays consistent. So we don't waste time generating all the images that will appear in our video one by one. We're going to download the Auto Whisk extension. The link is also in the PDF. We install it, change the language, select this option, and it will be ready. In this box, we're going to add all the image prompts we were given earlier together. If you look at the message from the prompt that created everything we were going to see in the story at the end, it left all the image prompts together with nothing in between, organized and placed in the same order they appear above. So it generates them in that same order. And then we can animate them and add the text that corresponds to each one without messing it up. So we copy this huge block of text into the prompt box and hit start. And automatically it will begin generating all the images in order, keeping the same characters, settings, and styles. I recommend that as they download, you number them in order so you clearly know which ones come first and which ones come after. Because in a second, I'm going to show you not only how to turn all of this into video clips, but also how we're going to add a natural, high-quality voice that narrates the story you're seeing in the videos. And if you don't want your voice clips ending up on videos they don't belong to, it's very important that you number every single image. Once we have them all, we're going to turn them into video. We have a lot of images, so just any video generator won't work. We need one that's free and unlimited and produces high-quality content. For that, I'm giving giving you two options. The first one is Meta, which is very easy to use. We just go to the Create section, select the video option and upload the images one by one in order. And once they are uploaded, we go to LM Arena and copy the animation prompt that corresponds to each image. That's why it was important to download them in order, following the list from above. We hit generate. We do the same thing with the rest of the images and we download it again. And just like before, save them in order. As you can see, the quality exceeds any expectation. But just in case you want another tool, we're going to use V. You simply go to the image to video section, click this button, and here you'll do the same process. Upload the image you want to animate and add the animation prompt that corresponds to each image. When you have everything ready, you just hit generate. But I recommend using Meta. It will work much better and it almost never gives any problems. Now that we have our videos generated and saved in order, we're going to generate the voice clips that correspond to each video. And for this, I'm also giving you two options. The first one, the free and unlimited option, will be Google's newest voice model. I'm leaving the direct link in the PDF like everything else we are using in this video. Simply click single speaker audio, choose the voice you like most. What do you want to explore? And if you look at LM Arena, the prompt also gave us right at the top the voice style this video will follow. We'll copy that and paste it into the voice style field in this tool. This will make every clip that gets generated follow that same speaking style. We paste each line of dialogue that corresponds to each video and generate them. Each time we finish one, look up at the night sky and tell me what you see. We download it and save it with the same number as the video it belongs to. That's why at the beginning, the image prompts, the video prompts, and the audio line that corresponds to each segment were generated separately. Once we have them all ready, if you still aren't convinced by the audio quality, I'll show you another platform, InWord. Here, according to the rankings, it's the best voice platform that exists right now. This tool costs only 1 cent per minute of generated audio, meaning the price is basically nothing. If you want to use the most powerful voice tool on the market and you can afford to pay these cents, I recommend you use it. If not, Google's free and unlimited option will work perfectly. Look up at the night sky and tell me what you see. Now, we already have our videos and our audio clips generated and saved in order. Now we have to put it all together. For that, we are going to use a free tool, CapCut. With its free desktop version, we'll be able to create our video with no problem and with zero editing knowledge. I made sure anyone can do it. What we're going to do now, once we're inside CapCut, is add each video clip and underneath the audio clip that corresponds to each video. If you see a video clip is longer than the audio that goes with it, just go to the speed section and increase it or decrease it so it matches the length of its corresponding audio clip. If you want to go one step further, I recommend checking the buttons at the top, different effects and transitions. You don't need any editing knowledge. Just look for the ones that don't have a purple diamond because those are the free ones and start reviewing them. The ones you like, start adding them on top of the video's effects or between video's transitions. Take your time and add them throughout the entire video so that on top of having high quality video and audio, you also have different effects that make the viewer feel even more hooked into your content. Once you're done, you already have your long form video generated completely with free and unlimited AI tools. Follow the steps and you'll get access completely free. Thanks so much for watching.